Hey guys, my name's Cole Cocker and behind me is my 2019 YZ450F paired with the 2018 Yeti Snow MX. When it came time to customize this bike and put my own touch on it, I hit up my buddies over at Tier 1 to see what they could come up with. I told them that I wanted to go with a completely customized design with our own brand, Grizzly Moto, being the main part of the kit. We've worked closely with Tier 1 Image over the past year and a half, and I fully trusted them to kill it with this design. Whether you're looking for a simple design or something much more complex, the guys over at Tier 1 Image will be able to hook you up and bring your ideas to life.
Hey, my name is Dustin Bakke, and this is my 2016 Polaris Pro RMK 800 163. This year I went with a design based off of Tier 1 Image's Vibrant series. As well as the Vibrant series, I want to throw my own personal brand Grizzly Moto in, as well as the other brands that I use. Tier 1 was extremely accommodating to these needs and very pleasant to work with. Within a couple messages back and forth, they were quick to deliver the wrap that I was looking for and once again knocked it out of the park.